Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Raksha Mantri Parrikar says Goa's issue pending before centre will be solved within 6 months. Says PM Modi has given free hand to settle Goa issues. BJP to announce Panji candidate by 12 December. Siddharth almost through. Launch membership drive. Parrikar Parsikar caution workers against money power. "45th IFFI concludes. Russian film Leviathan begs Golden Peacock. Sri Hari Sate gets Centenary Award for Ek Hazar Chi Note. Lifetime for Wong Kar-wai. Resolve mining issue. Resume mining by 10 December or face agitation in villages. MLAs should break their silence or resign, demanding mining truck owners. And FC Goa head coach motivates team for match against Northeast United. Says transformation is fruit of our initial preparations. FC Goa to play against Northeast United on Monday. Now the news in detail. Seems like Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar will continue being a super CM of Goa at least for few more months. Parrikar assured Goans that Goa's issues pending before the centre will be solved within the next 6-7 months. While speaking to the party workers at Raibandar at the membership drive, Parrikar said PM Modi has given him a free hand to settle pending issues in Goa and would frequently visit Goa.
त्यामुळे उत्तर प्रदेशात जे कितें गांव दत्तक घेवपाचे जे कितें काही गोष्टी आसता डेव्हलपमेंटाच्यो ताच्यो काही अडचणी ह्या संदर्भात म्हजें लक्ष आसतलें पण गोंयाचेर प्राथमीक लक्ष दवरचें पडटलें अशें हांवें प्रधानमंत्र्याक तेन्ना आनी म्हाका हें सांगलें आनी रोखडो येवचो पडटलो अशें सांगलें तेन्ना हांवें ताका मुख्यतः ही गोश्ट लक्षांत हाडून दिली की गोंयांत बऱ्योच गजाली अर्द्यो आसा आनी त्यो म्हाका वचून त्यो पूर्ण करूंक जाय त्या तांक्यान सांगलें तुका जायत्या पद्दतीन तूं वचून यो गोंयांत पण ताणें म्हाका परमिशन दिल्या जाय तसो ताचो वापर करून तूं गोंयांत वच.
Parrikar assured the workers that his successor will represent him as the Panji MLA. Parrikar's stay is expected to be in Goa for 10 to 12 days during his birthday celebration around December 13th and the Christmas at the December end.
म्हजी विजीट ही रेग्युलर आसतली पणजे मतदारसंघ हांवें सोडलो अशें न्हय जो कोण आसतलो ही वील रिप्रेझेंट मी क्रिसमसाच्या वेळार म्हणजे सादारणशे 11 दीस गोंयांतूच आसतलो बर्थडेक आसतलो गोंय ताजे मागीर कॅन्डिडेट बी ठरवया.
While speaking to media, Parrikar claimed that Goa's issues pending before the centre will be resolved within next 6 to 7 months.
Whatever the problems of Goa are there, you will find them resolved in next maybe at the most 6 months.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
BJP Panji candidate for by-poll will be announced by 12 December. Raksha Mantri Parrikar informed media after the Panji BJP workers meet. Sources say Siddharth Kunkalkar's name is almost through. Panji BJP launched its membership drive on Sunday. While the BJP's organizing secretary Satish Doan ridiculed the Congress rejected leaders for raking up the Tennessee issue, Parrikar and CM Parsikar cautioned party workers against the probable money power in the Panji poll.
कॅन्डिडेट साधारण टार्गेट दिल्ला त्या प्रमाणे फुडल्या 2 आठवड्या भितर कॅन्डिडेटच्या संदर्भातलो साधारण आमची टीम 800 लोकांची तरी आहा पणजेची तो 800 जाणांच्या ग्रुपा बरोबर कन्सल्टेशन चालू आसा फुडल्या 2 आठवड्या भितर हे कन्सल्टेशन पूर्ण केले की कमिटी आहा ते नांवां रिकमेंड करतली प्रदेशाक प्रदेश सिलेक्ट करून केंद्रीय पार्लमेंटरी बोर्डाक धाडून दितलो पणजे अजून पर्यंत जे आयला तुमी तें नांव हांव सांगिना तुमकां पण एक बाबतीत युनॅनिमस आहा की वॉट एवर पार्टी सेज इज फायनल त्यामुळे आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट दॅट आमी म्हाका जितली मतां पडलेली ताजे पेक्षा सुबेज मतां घेतली.
The BJP workers held a meeting at Panji to launch a membership drive.
Manohar Parrikar filled the first form of primary membership. Parrikar along with workers visited Raibandar and initiated the membership drive. While giving a Save Panji call, he cautioned people against money power in the Panji by-poll. BJP's organizing secretary Satish Dhond raised issue of tenancy controversy. He ridiculed the campaign, saying the rejected Congress leaders are running it to create a space for themselves in politics. Dhond also taunted his party colleagues for being a party to such anti-government campaigns. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar appealed the party workers to be ready to kick out the neighbouring MLAs eyeing the Panji constituency in by-poll. Sources from Panji have almost confirmed Siddharth Kukarkar as the BJP candidate for Panji by-poll. Formal announcement is expected by 12th or 13th of December. That's Parrikar's birthday. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Golden Peacock Award in 45th IFFI has been awarded to the best film Leviathan. The Russian film bagged the award at the concluding ceremony of 45th International Film Festival of India. Lifetime Achievement Award was conferred to Hong Kong filmmaker Wong Kar-wai. The Centenary Award was bestowed to the film director of Ek Hazar Chi Note, Shri Hari Sate.
45th International Film Festival of India concluded with a grandeur on Sunday. Noted Indian and international film actors witnessed the ceremony. Golden Peacock Award was honoured to the best film at IFFI, Leviathan. Special jury award was given to the Marathi film Ek Hazar Chi Note. The director of the film is Shri Hari Sate. Two Best Female Actors Award was honoured to Alina Rodriguez for the film Behavior and Sayat Larry for the film The Kindergarten Teacher. Award for the two Best Actors was bagged by Alexel Serbiako for the film Leviathan and to Dulal Sarkar for the film Chotedar Chaubi. Best Directors Award was given to Nadav Lapid for the film The Kindergarten Teacher. The Centenary Award was given to the director of Ek Hazar Chi Note, Shri Hari Sate.
One of the most visually enchanting filmmakers, Wong Kar-wai, refuses to play by the rules.
The youngest Lifetime Achievement Award winner at the International Film Festival of India.
The 11 days film festival in Goa witnessed many noted personalities and tourists. The 45th IFFI came to an end at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in Taligaon on Sunday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.